Number 1. Interview successful people and turn it into a success info product. When interviewing successful people, be prepared to ask a set of core questions. Learning about the habits of successful people gives you the human interest details you need to capitalize on their trial and error experiences. When you interview successful people, you may find that they have common daily routines, like taking time to eat well, exercise regularly and spend time with family and friends to reduce stress and bring their wisdom to the public's attention in courses as an info product. A simple hack: you can find successful interviews and identify all the problems faced by most people and compile a practical step-by-step guide from the interviews and create an info course product. Number 2. Compile already proven successful podcasts into step-by-step summaries and build a master info product. There are many blogs covering and recommending podcasts. You can, of course, find shows through Crampton's newsletter. A simple Google search for a type of podcast will turn up lists from blogs and news sites. Nowadays, podcasts give a ton of value to the users and it can help to create a successful course. Number 3. Curate public domain content. Make it better, alter it, and republish it as own. What is public domain content? There is no need to email for permission. Use all content however you want. Email it, share it, reprint it with or without credit. Change it around, attribution is not required. Walt Disney made lots of money off fairy tales by fashioning them into feel-good animated films. You can do the same with public domain works for your course. After you get all your content for the course, you can organize and convert to a video. Content Samurai is an artificial intelligence software that creates video courses by uploading the content in seconds. If you are curious about how to create and sell a wildly profitable digital course and get your first sale, click the link in the description for the free course.